Welcome to Online Business School. Today we will teach you about internet startup ideas. In this video you will learn about the 5 best online business ideas for beginners in 2019. Now before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way when we release more videos like this one, you'll get notified. Okay, let's get straight into it. Start a blog and monetize it. It's easier to start a blog than ever before, and your blog can also be a big potential source of income when you monetize it. Keep in mind that you don't just start a blog and expect the money to roll in. You need to create content consistently, and it also needs to be content that educates, informs or entertains people. In other words, it needs to capture their interest in some way. What's more, you need to sell something through the blog. This can be ad space, products, digital products, sponsored posts, coaching or other online services. Blogging can be extremely profitable. Some bloggers make upwards of $50,000 per month or more. Get started with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically the process of earning a commission by promoting somebody else's product. Most people use affiliate promotions in one of two main ways. Step 1, you promote products like ebooks, membership sites, video series and things like this. This type of affiliate marketing can earn you up to 50% or more in commission and has relatively low barriers to entry and is easy to find products to promote. Or step 2 is to join networks such as Amazon. Many people have success with affiliation with Amazon. There are literally millions of products to choose from and it can be quite profitable. As a quick side note, before you start affiliate marketing, it helps to have at least basic knowledge of SEO and copywriting. Set up an e-commerce site. One of the best ways to earn online income is through setting up an e-commerce store. If you try to go the route of affiliate marketing, the best approach is to focus on one of the big market niches, which include dating, health, making money and fitness. These markets are where a lot of money is being spent each year by consumers. With the e-commerce route, in many markets you'll be competing against old school business people who may or may not have any internet marketing experience. Many of them have glitchy, out-of-date websites, which leaves you a lot of room for improvement, and you can capitalise on their shortcomings. It will require a fair bit of hard work, and you need to stand out amongst the hundreds of thousands of e-commerce websites and online stores. But by filling a unique niche and executing the right marketing techniques, you can make your e-commerce store a profitable success. Here are some tips to help you get started with your e-commerce store. Find a profitable market. Brainstorm some ideas, do some keyword research and try to get as specific as possible. For example, there is probably a lot of competition for selling surfboards, but if you narrow it down to surfboard racks, you may have a better chance of standing out in the market. Ask yourself, is the product in a growth market? If your market has already passed its peak and is on the downslope, you probably don't want to get involved. Instead, you want to get into an industry that's on the upswing. That's where you'll have the most profit and growth potential. Consider building a Shopify store. Shopify is a system built for e-commerce. With some basic web knowledge, you can set up a good looking store very quickly and with low cost investment and with no coding needed. Shopify has a 30-day free trial too, so you can get started without spending a dime. Self-publish a book on Amazon. Have you ever thought of writing a book but didn't know where to get started? All the publishing nonsense and the editing and formatting, the marketing and things like this. With Amazon you can self-publish a book fairly easily and really make money from it. If you can launch your book and get a few hundred sales in the first week, Amazon will take over and start promoting it for you. This way you can make some real money from it. It's actually easier than it sounds. Here are a few tips for writing a book for Amazon. Validate the book by giving a survey to friends, an email list, and or use survey sites like PickFu. By validating your idea before you write the book, you'll improve the odds of people willing to buy your book, and you're not wasting your time by writing it. Create an outline and stick to it if possible. Set aside at least 30 minutes to an hour each day to write. Format the book according to Amazon's standards. Create a digital product or course. Creating a digital product or course is similar to writing an ebook. You're monetizing your expertise by teaching it to others. That being said, you don't have the benefit of Amazon promoting your course. You have to do the promoting yourself through your own website, your email lists, and possibly through affiliate partnerships. You also need to create a compelling sales page that will convince visitors to buy from you. If you don't already have an audience, it might be better to self-publish on Amazon first. That way you can validate your course idea, grow your email list. Just make sure to have an email opt-in at the front and back of the book. And more or less create a rough draft of the course, since it will probably be similar to the book. Our company has been teaching this information for many years. I recommend you go and take a look at what we do. Just click the link in the description below the video. Study with us. We have some wonderful programs, and you know something? Every one of them is about you. It helps you understand how to manage and grow your business better. If you start studying today, you can have the business success you want. Just click the link in the description below. You can then continue your development in this area. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It motivates us to keep making them for you. Please do give the video a like. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.